visibility on social media at large, okay? So what I'm going to say this morning is a lot of things has been going on among the Igbos. A lot of things that I don't even know where to start explaining, where to start talking about, and where all of you knows what has been going on. And this is why I took this fight upon myself, that I, Mariam Justice, will try my best to make sure that some of these things will put to stop. Some of these things will put to stop. And that is where we are today. On the process of this, some of this bullying, harassing, leveling someone what he did not do, cyber stalking, I went through a whole lot of hell from most of these people. They tried to tag me so many things. They tried to label me so many things. They tried to destroy my reputation, my name, my integrity, whatever I represent. But I stood firm. I said, I must see the end of this. I, Mariam Justice, said, I must see the end of this. If you come to social media, use your platform and do something that will be meaningful to you yourself and to the society at large. Use your platform to do important things. Use your platform to teach children what they're supposed to know. Use your platform to teach the whole world what they're supposed to know. Channel your efforts in something meaningful. I mean, when you come out to present your whatever you come out with it, make sure that, yes, what you're talking, what you're airing, what you're saying is something that will be meaningful to the society. Not just coming to social media and be constituting so much nuisance, problems. I mean, putting pains on people. I stood firm. They did a lot of things to me. They did. On this process, Ogechi Okeke Njaka sent people to my village to go and video my mom. My mom was just coming back from the farm. They took her video. She was airing it on her platform. After doing that, she deleted it. Because most of these things she does, when she do them, she would delete it immediately. She was showing my mom, saying, okay, look at your mom. There is nothing they did not did to me on this social media platform. They did something that when I remember, I was like, this is why I have to stand firm to do this fight. But let me tell you people today, many people are coming to me, one way or the other, for conversation, for whatever we talk, especially when this Ogechi issue is going on. Some of them, I go to them because of one evidence or the other. I mean, this set of people, what they derive joy in doing, they will sit down with their phone to be recording you for reasons I don't know. And as long as I did not sit down and discuss with anybody how to go and kill someone, how to go and destroy someone's life, how to go and harm person, any day, anybody remove my voice notes and play it on social media, I will sue you. I will sue that person. And you that is in London, wait for me. I must sue you. Just wait for me. When I tell you guys all this nonsense that you people are doing on social media must stop. If you don't know what to do, if you can't be jumping on the trees, if you can't be jumping here and there, use your platform and do meaningful things. Use your platform and speak to the less privileged. Use your platform and talk to the society. Use your platform and put women in order. Use your platform and tell women what they need to know, especially the girl's child. If you don't know what to do with your platform, not to sit down at your comfort zone and be I am going to sue you. I saw the voice notes you played on your phone. I was talking with someone, and this same person, already your petition is down. The second one, I'm going to sue you for removing my voice note to go and send to someone else. And this particular person that resides in London, you guys, all of you are not, all of you does not even want me mentioning your names. But my action under the court of law must teach you guys the best language you need to understand and know that, yes, there is more to human's dignity. And know that there is more to human's dignity. You can't be doing nonsense things. You people cannot be doing shit. You take someone's child and tag him rest in peace. You come to your platform and be airing woman's nude. All of you that share any woman's nude on social media, I will sue all of you. And I'm on the process. You know, when we talk, you people will say this is a ranting. They are ranting. Wait for it. Ogechi's on was almost 5 years. Where is she today? Under the court of law. She has to prove her innocence. She has to prove everything that she has done to people and the ones people have done to her. The same thing with all of you. As long as you will be on social media, tagging living children, you do not have pity for those children. You do not have feelings for those children. As long as you've tagged anybody's child, rest in peace. I personally is on your case. Just wait for the time. The authority will invite you. And most of you reside abroad. Why we go to Interpol is because Interpol is an international police. You can't reside abroad, then we'll be taking you to local community police. It's not possible. That's why we go to Interpol. Because Interpol will handle the case to the best of their knowledge. Because they are international police. That's why when you reside abroad and you are here tormenting people's life, labeling people, putting pains on people, when we stand on your matter, we'll go to the international police. Let the international police judge. Let them take all of us to court. When we get to court, we'll bring out our evidence. Let everybody go and know that, yes, there is rule of law. And Nigeria has put in the law. You defend anybody's character, you go and face it and defend yourself. If I hear my voice, you people will come to me. That's why I said I don't want anybody from the social media to contact me. You guys should stop calling me. I don't want to talk to any of you. If you know you've been calling me, that's why many of you are still calling me and I'm not speaking. I can't even imagine how you guys behave. The one you got yourself inside, it has not ended. You have a case with me, and your case is with the Interpol as well. Ask Ogechi. I was there with her day before yesterday. She will tell you. Or ask Fortunate, who sent somebody to me. You send someone to me so that we will sit down and iron this issue. We'll sit down and settle it. Even when I gave your uncle the audience of the settlement, you are still here calling my name. People are still bullying me under your comment section. You're still telling them to call out to Gom Gom Gomoto Abuja. It's my name out to Gom Gom Gomoto Abuja, but you guys named that to me. Just because someone came and lied against me. All of you, we will go there. Because when things are not processed, you people will be like, it's ranting, she can't do anything. I swear to God that created you and I am here to do this fight. And I will do it to the end. I can never get tired. All we need is sanity. On this pace, even if you have issue with anybody, face the person. Leave the person's parents alone. There are things that you're not supposed to do, even under the court of law. The lawyer the judges who will judge this case, they will be like, don't you have respect for parents? But you guys will come and even go and video somebody's mother in the village. An aged mother. Innocent woman. You people will spend money, you people will go to court. And if you reside abroad, your case will be with the Interpol because you are an international citizen. Don't think that your case will be on any local police station. No. And we'll take your case still to the embassy. That is the process. Your embassy, your country must know what you're doing. Enough of this nonsense you people are doing. Mariam is here to make sure that when you come to your page, use this your platform and do meaningful something that will be that that people will benefit from it. You don't come and be talking nonsense. Even if you're under fake accounts, under dark doing this, we all have you guys, everything piled that you people has done. Go, you must go and testify with your evidence. You must go and prove it. You guys will share this program. Enough of this nonsense. You that reside in London, you did this to me. You played my voice note. I let go. It's becoming part of you. I must sue you. It's a must. I must sue you. You must stop playing people's voice notes. I am going to sue you because of this voice notes you're playing. You've been saying this, doing this, doing this. You keep poking me. You keep talking all sort of things. Even when I did not do anything to you. At a point, I have to come to someone's program to air my feelings. To ask you, why are you calling my name? If you're, I don't even know how to refer you. You're not even up to the standard. All of you are not up to the standards that will come to my platform and be calling your names. You guys are not up to the standards. You guys should forget that Ogechi this, Ogechi that, Ogechi this. At the end of the day, everybody is trying to make sure to get evidence, to get videos to present to the court of law. That's why I come across with so many of you guys. But it has ended. You people should have your peace. Let's all go to court. You come to Nigeria, police will get you arrested. Then we'll go to court. Whoever that goes to court wants peace. Whoever that goes to court wants things to end. Whoever that goes to court wants sanity. You're not going to court to go and kill somebody, no. You can't, even if you take someone to court, if the person is not guilty, you can't do him anything. They will release him. But if they find you offense of whatever they said you did, you will go in for it. And this is what we want. I personally took this fight without the help of anyone. I did it. And I will keep doing it. Until one day I will sit down at my comfort zone like this. When I'm watching people's program, I will see that yes, these people are presenting things that will be meaningful to the society. We have a lot of problems in Nigeria. How many of you are talking about what is going on in this country? Because you reside abroad? Look, this lemon water I'm drinking now, you have to buy it. But in abroad, I think even when you don't have money, you will still eat. The government will look after you. The government will give you food. But in Nigeria, even if you don't have what to eat, nobody will give you food.